opportunity to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in the exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bins. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel number 4. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey about your experience via email or a United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It has been an honor to serve you for the past 100 years, and thank you for being part of our journey, and we look forward to fly with you in the friendly skies for the next 100. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the door area to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Welcome to San Juan. Have a good night.
Bienvenidos a San Juan, donde la hora local es 8:17 p.m. Permanezcan en sus asientos hasta que se apague la señal del cinturón.